So this is example 17. A cone is resting on HP with its base and axis is parallel to VP. The diameter of base is 50 mm and axis is 65 mm long. It is cut by a blade which is perpendicular to HP and inclined at 60 degree to VP. Draw the projections of the remaining cone if the cutting plane is 10 mm away from the axis. Also obtain the true shape. So again we are having a cone here which is resting on HP. So the top view is a circle and front view is a triangle, and the base of this cone is 50 mm and axis height is 65. It is cut by a blade, which means the section plane perpendicular to HP and inclined at 60 degree to VP. So here it is clearly mentioned that it is a inclined section plane, and the position of cutting plane is given in such a way that it is 10 mm away from the axis, and we also have to draw the true shape of this figure. So we will see now how to imagine this. So here is your cone directly resting on HP, top view circle, front view is a triangle, and here our section plane is given at an angle with respect to VP. As you can see here, we have seen this problem earlier also, so I am making it quick. So this is going to be your front view. Ellipse will come in the front view, as you can see. And from the top view, you will see that some portion of the circle will be removed in the top view, and I have erased the planes. Now you can easily imagine this. So this is going to be our final top view, and this is going to be your front view. So the circle, some part of circle is removed, and in front view there will be an ellipse. But also we have to draw true shape from this axis. This is going to be our true shape because it is visible from this side. This is going to be our true shape. So again, first I will draw the top view and front view of this figure. So this is 50 mm diameter. So the radius will be 25 mm, and the XY plane. So now we have drawn the front view and top view of our cone. Now I will draw the section plane. Remember, this section plane is given with reference to the VP. So we will cut here, and also it is mentioned that this is 10 mm away from the axis. So I am taking a distance of 10 mm. This is 10 mm distance, and I am drawing a line, small line here. See, if it was perpendicular to VP, we would have cut in this fashion. But sorry, parallel to VP, we would have cut like this. But it is given at an angle of 60 degrees. So what I am doing, the line which I have drawn here, the smaller line, I am going to take angle from that point as 60, and by this I know that this is going to be my section. So this is my section plane. This portion has been removed. For this reason, we have to darken only this circular portion. You have to use compass here. And this portion has been removed. And as for the front view is concerned, as this edge is visible, I will draw this edge, and this portion will also be visible. See that I have darkened only till this point, not beyond this point, because of the section plane, this portion is getting removed from here. And now we will get one parabola like shape here, which we have to reproduce by drawing the projection lines from the section plane itself. So observe that this is the base which is viewed from the top, and this is the base point. So you will get one point here, and the section plane is getting the other point here. So this is the other point. So you know that your parabola or whatever shape will appear, it will appear in this portion only. And also see that this is the second line. So section plane is cutting the second line here, and the second generator is here. So they will meet here. You have to do this a little bit carefully. And now this is the third point, and it is cutting this point at here. So I have to take the section. This is going to be vertically straight, and apart from that, there is one more point here. Fifth line is getting touch here. So if I project this above, sorry, this is not the fifth point, this is the 12th point, and the 12th generator is here. So I'll get one more point here. And the other points are like section plane is cutting the 11th generator also here. So I'll get one more generator here, as this is 11 dash. I'm getting one more point here. And this would eventually end here. So I'm taking H pencil. Now I will try to complete this smooth arc. So this portion has been removed in the front view. You can draw this little bit beautiful also. I'll just smooth this edge. It's not looking good. This portion will be visible. So hence we have drawn the front view also. And now for the hatching parts, and carefully mark the points here, which are very important afterwards, which will be very important afterwards. So this is our hatching lines. This has been completed. Now we have to draw the true shape of this figure also. So true shape will appear from this side. That is why I have to draw an auxiliary plane somewhere here, and I will name this as x1 y1 plane. And from the section plane I am drawing some projection lines. Now you know that whatever the portion of true shape will appear here only. So We'll start projecting these lines from where the section plane is cutting our axis lines. Section plane is cutting this line also. Like this, that second point is here, so you'll the first point, the point will appear here, and there is one more point here, and you will get some more points here, so that we can join to get a beautiful shape, say a parabola. I'll try to get more points from this figure. The section plane is touching this line also here, so I will draw one more line, and the section plane is cutting second point here, the first line here also, so I'll take this also on my points. So the points which we have taken here, we have to take from this plane itself. So this is our auxiliary or true shape, and we have to take perpendicular, draw the hatching lines for this also. So our exercise number.
So this is the final solution of a cone which has been cut. As you can see here, the section plane being cut. And this is the true shape as we have seen already.